What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, Houston Mini Trucks. Got a package in the mail. Wanted to open it with you guys, show you what's inside. I'm here with the Project Acty. I got something else over here. Security checked. DHL. I got this package. This is the carburetor I pulled off. So if you haven't seen one before, that's a Honda Acty HA2 carburetor. This Honda been driving me crazy. So I got it. If you hadn't seen the Project Acty videos, it was running on propane. So I bought it from a guy who apparently had no rust and was running on propane. He had tried to convert it to gas. He never could get it running. So he said he had like 5 different mechanics look at it. And one of them, the last he concluded was that the timing was off. Which I've actually had a car and I slipped the timing. So I had, wrecked the front end. And they have that plastic cover. It was a Subaru SVX, believe it or not. So look that up. It's one of these like aerodynamic cars. It's one of Subaru's first sports cars. Had a transmission failure issue where it just overheated and failed. So that's how I know about, what the timing is like. So there, it would kind of idle, but as you would give it power, it would just, hesitate because obviously it was knocking. I drove it that way for a couple weeks, believe it or not, and then took it to the dealer. Which the crazy thing, I had done a timing belt, like, say a month before, wrecked it, only had liability, slipped the timing, and then I had to pay, the dealership to do the timing belt again. So that really set me back. So I didn't really think it was slip timing, because unless you have damage, it's not going to really happen, at least in my experience. And so, we worked back and forth on a price. We got here, we're $800 in. I've done a lot more work than that. I'm probably in close to $2,000 now. But I'll kind of walk you around what I've done. And then we'll do this unboxing. And I'll show you what's inside there. So I've replaced a lot of the lights. I do have a cover for there. I don't think I'm going to replace it though. It didn't have the fuel tank on, so I had to take that off. I let it soak for a long time. I've completely redone the interior. Reupholstered vinyl seats, 2-tone, so it's got the brown on the bottom. All-weather floor mats. I just repainted the side panels. Okay, this one has the AC. It's got a LED interior light. I put some turf tires on the front. These are pretty wide. I forget, 23 by 8 by 12. And then these came on there. They're 23 by 8 by 12. Okay, I had a little bit of damage. I had to replace this piece. Okay. And then I did some body work. I forget where now. This piece still needs some progress, but it's better than when it started. And I never had the bed sides, so it just didn't come with bed sides. But that's okay. And then I need to figure out something here with the radiator overflow reservoir, because that's not the factory system in the factory setup. Oh, here's my newest thing. I had to add that exhaust. Okay, so let me come back over here. So 5 different mechanics, and I drove 2 hours to get this thing. I get there and it's like a lot of rust. I mean, the whole bed had like surface rust on it, so I've since covered it up. And my fly is down. Just got this package in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it with you. I had met a guy, a firefighter. Well, it was just a guy at first, and he was like, I want this Minitruck, and I need to get it financed. So we tried to he's in Massachusetts, and we couldn't get it really worked out with the financing. But he was a firefighter. I got that firefighter, mini truck, the fire truck. I was like, hey, maybe you can hook me up with I think I asked for the bunker gear, and then he sent me a helmet, which I'll show you later. And then he's like a week later, he's like, hey, I found some bunker gear. He asked the chief if they could get rid of some. And the chief, unfortunately, we'll have to give a shout out to that station. Chief, you're number one. I don't know, Eric, the mini trucker, he's number one too. That's why I said, just because sometimes you get stuck in life or you can't come through, you still make other people's day. This is really what I wanted. The whole, keep that, community. So like I said, other viewers, we got 600 subscribers now. I think 604. We're just gonna celebrate and unbox this gift. Christmas has come early, and we'll see what's in there. I don't know what's in there. Maybe he's in chocolate. Maybe it's more carburetors. Let's unbox it together. Hopefully I don't get too emotional. Oh my God, I'm gonna get emotional. Damn, son. So I probably should do this in front of the fire truck, but the fire truck's over at my house. What? Look at this. I got authentic fire gear. Securitex. Oh, dude, it's got a freaking Velcro and a zipper. Hold up. It's well used. That's kind of what I wanted. It doesn't work well if you got the used fire truck, mini truck with just like brand new stuff that hasn't even seen like real fire. This probably has like smoke and soot from. Oh my gosh, does it fit perfect or what? I'm telling you, he sent this for free. I did, hook him up with the shipping, but I don't know that he asked me to. Look at this other stuff. Oh, hold up. Duh. Are you seeing this? These Vibram. So it's got the 5 fingers. And it's got some sort of thing here. Some underwear maybe. Oh no, this is for my helmet. It's a protect the protection for the heat of the battle. Dude, this is what we're gonna put on our head. Okay. And I got the boots. He even asked like what size they are. These are 9.5. Oh my gosh. He's so sweet. Mini truckers. This is what I'm saying. We're gonna run the world. We just spread everything out. I've got carburetors. Dude, oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Gotta show you these pants. So hold up, I'm no expert. I think I probably should have put the pants on first. And I always wondered, I meant to ask what you're supposed to wear under the pants. Do you just wear your regular clothes or do you put down your boxers? Let's see here. I don't know if you can see in the camera. I'm putting my firefighter gear for the firefighter mini truck. Okay. Hopefully it's not too loud with the microphone. I'm gonna take this off again and then put my suspenders on. Hopefully you're seeing all this. This is just thanks to a mini trucker. Okay. Where are you guys? You're still here. Oh, hold up. So I got my pump. This is pretty sweet. I think I'm gonna have to tighten these up. But for now, we'll just roll like this. Dude, let me try my boots on. He was saying these boots are a couple $100. Somebody's gonna miss them. It's got to do his name on I saw in the back hall. Oh my God. Hopefully nothing bad else happened to him. Dude, look at these. I got fire gloves. So I got the whole suit. These could be actually Santa gloves. I was thinking about putting them on my fire truck, mini truck. Oh, hold up, son. These boots are legit. Okay. So you're getting the first-hand experience. Don't just talk about it. We gotta be about it. I think I'm supposed to probably untuck my boots, but see what you think. These, maybe I'm supposed to put these on. I got pretty big hands, but we'll see what these fire truck gloves. I think those are gonna be too small. I should probably keep these out, I think, so the reflectors maybe people can see for safety. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go stop traffic, get my little fire truck. I got a fire hydrant tool now, so I just hooked this up. Okay. Oh man, the fire is probably gonna be burnt down. Now I'm still trying to get my suit on. I don't know. If you're like in a hurry, what are you supposed to do? Maybe you just keep your boots on or something. Feels like it's getting caught up on the top. Okay. Okay. So I feel pretty legit. Oh, I should have my helmet. Oh, dude, that stuff is heavy. So, keep out there mini trucking. Check this out. Let me show you the back. I think it says Beefy BFT, which is like the Boston, Bridgeport, wherever. I'm not really partial. It's got some dude's name on it, which is probably a good thing. They'll be like, I don't know, some guy named Hall. We saw him. He's driving that mini truck and went through my yard doing donuts. I'm like, man, that guy Hall, troublemaker, huh? Because that's not my last name. Just that's the joke. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Have a good one. Stay mini. Stay small. Stay together. Don't let them try to divide us. They keep trying, but we stay united. Take care.